My name is Matt Ratner, Director for Sports and Entertainment Tourism here at the Greater Miami Convention and Visitors Bureau. Welcome to Miami Gardens and Hard Rock Stadium. Miami is a great place to host a sporting event because of the ease of access from everywhere in the world. The weather is beautiful, the people are friendly, the accommodations are fantastic. Anytime there is a large sporting event, there's a buzz around town. People are out in the streets, they're in restaurants, they're all around our hotels, our great tourist attractions, really enjoying everything Miami has to offer. We've hosted everything from F1 racing to college football, professional football, Super Bowls. If I were to create a Mount Rushmore of sports icons in Miami, I would start with Muhammad Ali, the greatest. Trained at the Fifth Street Gym, fought at the Miami Beach Convention Center. I'd move on to the Miami Marlins. There's nobody better than Mr. Marlin, Jeff Conine. You go to the Miami Heat and Dwayne Wade, an instrumental part of bringing the culture here to Miami. And then obviously the man who performed at the stadium right behind me, Dan Marino, one of the greatest quarterbacks to ever play. And then now our newest, greatest superstar here in Miami currently, Leo Messi. You can't go wrong with having the most famous athlete in the world in your backyard. We take great pride in creating great sports moments here in Miami, specifically coming up in 2026 when Miami-Dade County will host the FIFA World Cup. It is one of, if not the biggest sporting event in the world, and we're excited to have it here in our backyard. If you can dream it, Miami can host it. We have a little bit of something to offer everyone here if you're a sports fan from any sport.